Hello everybody, my name is Andy and today I will demonstrate you this great floodlight. And it has this remote control. It has 16 different colors, but first you have to turn it on. You can turn it off, and when it's on you can change your mode. It has 4 different modes and 16 different colors. Yes, and it also remember your last mode. Okay, it is fade and it is flash, so you can use it on your birthday party and any time, outdoor or indoor. It's waterproof and it has a 5 years warranty, so if you're not satisfied, the company can refund you, or you can change it or replace. So if you are looking something like this, I recommend you this one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.